Take a look at this YouTube channel, Larva Funny World. Even though it's not a very old channel, it has grown incredibly fast. Just by looking at its views and content, you can imagine how much money this channel is making. The secret behind its success is simple. It creates high-quality 3D animated comedy videos that are colorful, entertaining, and incredibly addictive to watch. Millions of people love this type of content, making it one of the best YouTube niches right now. But here's the exciting part. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the same style of viral 3D animated videos using completely free AI tools. You don't need expensive software, animation experience, or even a high-end computer. I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, from creating consistent 3D characters to generating cinematic scenes, animating them with AI, and editing everything into a professional-looking video. The best part? You can create unlimited videos, upload them to YouTube, and build a channel that has the potential to generate a significant income over time. So, if you're ready to create viral 3D AI animations for free and start your own YouTube journey, let's get started. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and use the master prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with writing prompts. Most people don't know what to write, how to structure it, or how to get consistent, high-quality results. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a professional master prompt that generates an entire 15-scene cinematic storyboard with consistent characters, movie-quality visuals, detailed image prompts, and a complete story automatically. Your only job is simple. Just copy the master prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and motivates me to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials like this. Now here's the exciting part. As soon as you paste this master prompt into ChatGPT, it will first ask you for your story idea or title. Simply enter any story you want, such as Sunny traps Rusty inside a giant rainbow jelly, Rusty steals Sunny's golden coin, or any creative idea that comes to your mind. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete 15-scene storyboard with highly detailed cinematic prompts, perfectly consistent characters, professional storytelling, and thumbnail-quality movie scenes ready for AI image generation. This is the exact style of content that is getting millions of views on YouTube right now. But here's something most people overlook. If your prompt is weak, your results will also be weak. Your characters won't stay consistent, your scenes won't connect properly, your images won't look cinematic, and your videos will feel average. And average content simply doesn't go viral anymore. That's why this master prompt is so powerful. It removes the guesswork and gives you professional, consistent results every single time. Instead of wasting hours experimenting with different prompts, use this proven master prompt. Focus on creating great stories, stay consistent, improve with every upload, and follow the latest trends. Because in today's world, going viral isn't about luck. With the right master prompt, the right AI tools, and the right strategy, anyone can create professional 3D animated videos. Now go ahead, copy the master prompt from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, enter your story title, and start creating your own viral 3D AI videos today. For image generation, we're going to use Google Gemini, and this is one of the most important steps in the entire workflow, so make sure you follow everything carefully. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply log in using your Gmail. Once you're inside Gemini, you'll see the chat interface. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the cinematic image prompts that were generated using the master prompt. Since the master prompt creates a complete 15-scene storyboard, you'll get one highly detailed prompt for each scene. Copy the prompt for scene 1, return to Google Gemini, and paste it into the chat box. Before generating the image, there's one small but very important step. At the end of the prompt, add your preferred aspect ratio. For YouTube landscape videos, use -AR16:9. And for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, use -AR9:16. This ensures that Gemini generates images in the exact format you need. Once everything is ready, simply press Enter, and within a few moments, Gemini will generate a stunning cinematic image. Honestly, when I saw the first result, I was genuinely impressed. The quality looked like it came straight from a professional 3D animation studio. The characters remained consistent with the master prompt. The lighting was cinematic, the colors were vibrant, the textures were highly detailed, and every scene had that premium Pixar and DreamWorks style 3D look. What impressed me even more was the character consistency. Sunny and Rusty maintained the same appearance, colors, proportions, facial expressions, and overall design across different scenes, which is one of the biggest challenges when creating AI storytelling videos. I also carefully checked for common AI image problems like broken anatomy, distorted faces, blurry backgrounds, random objects, unwanted text, logos, or poor quality textures. Surprisingly, the results were clean, professional, and ready to use with little or no editing. But I didn't stop there. I tested the master prompt with different story titles, different environments, different objects, and completely different adventures. I generated candy worlds, magical forests, laboratories, kitchens, underground tunnels, treasure caves, emotional scenes, action scenes, comedy scenes, and fantasy scenes. Every single time, the master prompt delivered highly consistent, cinematic, and professional quality results. That's one of the biggest advantages of using this workflow. You don't have to waste hours rewriting prompts or regenerating inconsistent images. Simply change the story title, and the master prompt automatically creates a complete 15-scene storyboard with consistent characters and movie-quality prompts that Gemini can turn into beautiful images. Even when compared with many paid AI image generators, the quality is surprisingly competitive, making it hard to believe that you can achieve results like this completely free. Once you're satisfied with the generated image, download it and repeat the same process for all 15 scenes. In the next step, I'll show you how to transform these beautiful 3D images into smooth, cinematic, animated videos using another powerful free AI tool. Now let's move on to the best part, the completely free AI video generation tool. This tool is honestly one of the best options available right now because it's totally free to use. Once you sign in, you don't have to buy any credits, you don't have to purchase a subscription, and you don't have to worry about video generation limits. Simply log in with your account, upload the images you generated using Google Gemini, copy the corresponding scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, and let the AI do the rest. Within moments, it starts transforming your static images into smooth, cinematic animations with impressive motion, camera movement, and high-quality visual effects. The best part is its speed. Most videos are generated in just 1 or 2 minutes, and sometimes they're ready in only a few seconds, depending on the server load. It's honestly surprising to see this level of quality from a completely free AI tool. If you want to discover more powerful free AI tools like this and learn how to create professional AI videos without spending any money, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. We regularly share the newest AI tools, step-by-step guides, and proven strategies to help you create better content and grow faster on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!